Hi everyone, good morning, good morning. How are you today? I'm back at we will make a new video today. Hi guys, I'm back and the video that we will make today is how to manifest money with water. The first thing that you need to do is you need to get a clear glass or plastic clear glass and you put water in it, and then you get a small piece of paper. You need to write something that you want on your coming paycheck. Like for example, you want to have 1 million or 50,000. You have to write in a piece of paper, and every time you drink water you put in there in the bottom and you drink the water. Or another one, you can fold money, bills of money you put under in the glass, or you combine this to the paper that you wrote something that you need something blah blah blah, and then the money you put in there, and then you drink the water, because water will attract money and can cleanse our body. And another thing too, you can write down a dollar sign and the amount of money that you want to attract to yourself. You write in the glass and then write around the glass, and then every time you drink the water, you keep thinking the amount of money that you want, because the water holds a lot of energy for our body. It holds a lot of everything. It can cleanse our body. That's why you can put a lot of thing in it, or you can put a crystal. You have to clean a bowl, a small crystal bowls to put in a glass, but you have to clean it good. And then every time you drink, you're thinking with the piece of paper and with the money under. Every time you drink, you think about the money that you want. But when you make these things, when you make all these things, you don't have to think about bad thinking in your mind. You need to set aside what bad thinking in your mind. You need to clear your mind, so the thing that you want to attract to yourself will come in. And guys, this is what I've learned from the ancient Greek. So yeah, I've learned this from the ancient Greek, from old people from the Greek, that they believe in this water, the lucky charm water. So let's see, we will do this over and over again. You see what will happen. We don't make this once, so we will make this many times. So the lucky whatever, the how do you call it, the swerte coming into our life. Swerte means the charm. And so, like what I said, what we are doing, we need to believe what we are doing, because if we don't believe what we are doing, so nothing will be happen. So believe, work and believe what you are doing. Okay, so guys, that's all for today, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and see you in my next video. Bye.